Hey guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. I'm going to continue with my caddy here. Yeah guys, I'm just gonna suffer through the rust again. I don't want to show you too much because I don't want to have you sitting through another patch special video like the last one and showing you I totally go insane. I'm just gonna fight through it, guys. I'm just gonna put on some music and I'm just going. So I'll see you on the other side. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys. I did it. I fixed that corner piece. It's totally rust free now. Solid. Really happy. It was a full day fight, so I didn't pick up the camera, guys. Sorry. It's just, yeah. Well, it's done, so on to the next thing. Guys, all the rust work is done on this wheel well, so I'm really happy. That is a patch someone else did, but it looks good, so I'm leaving it. It's all painted with anti-gravel right now, then a lick of paint, and then I can put the fuel tank back, so let's go. Okay guys, the stupid fuel tank is in. It was again a major struggle, of course. Somehow it was deformed. But yeah, that's to be expected when it's just hoboing around here on the property. So, oh well. I got it in. That's what she said. Oh guys, I'm happy. So, major step. Because I want to get it running, guys. That's the goal. I hate the bodywork, but I have to do it. So, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.